How to sum a column in Smartsheet. Hello, welcome to our channel, WebWiz, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to sum a column using Smartsheet. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Smartsheet website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, you can just log in using your Google account. Click login right here in the top right corner. And after you log in, this will be your dashboard, and it's pretty easy. So I just already ready my table right here so that I can show you how to sum up a column. So it's pretty much like Excel. So if you guys don't know Excel, or if you guys use Excel, it's pretty much the same how to sum up a column. So what you're gonna do is to click for a cell. For example, you want to use this one. So I'm just going to just input equal and sum. So just like the Excel, and after that you can just add a close parenthesis. So after close parenthesis, I can just choose something or somewhere in this column that I want to sum. So for example, I just want to sum these two values, and there I can just close the parenthesis and click enter. So as you can see, this particular cell in a column is being summed in here in this cell. So if you want, you can just drag as many as cell that you want in that column and just click enter, and right there all of that cell in the column is being summed. And there's actually an easy way to do this. If you don't like putting some formulas, you can just click this three dots right here on the top right corner and click this symbol, and you can see many function. There's a sum function, average function that you can use. So if you want, you can just click sum, and it will automatically input a sum formula on the cell that you chose. So yeah, that's it. And after that, you can just drag in whatever you like on a column and click enter, and that's it. You're already summed that column. So that's pretty it. That's how you sum columns on Smartsheets. Pretty easy. So if you like this tutorial, please like this video, click the notification bell, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.